Hello, so today we're going to be doing some more simplest fractions, okay? And when we make a fraction into its simplest form, we call that simplifying, okay? And it just means making it into the smallest numbers possible. Okay, now yesterday, I told you one way to do it would be divide the numerator by itself and then divide the denominator by what you divided the numerator by. That's not always going to work, okay? So I need to show you the best way to do it now, okay? Here you've got 9/12, okay? Now, if I did 9 divided by 9, I'd get 1 here, okay? But I can't do 12 divided by 9, okay? Not easily anyway, okay? So that does not work. So to do it, you need to find out the number, the times table that they can both be divided into, okay? Now, if I came to my 2's, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, okay? So 12 is in the 2's, but 9 isn't in the 2's, okay? So I can't use the 2's. What if I try the 3's, okay? 3, 6, 9, 12, okay? So 9 is in the 3's and 12 is in the 3's, okay? So I could do the 3's, okay? Let's try the 4's. 4, 8, 12, 16, okay? Well, 12 is in the 4's, but 9's not in the 4's, okay? I could try the 5's, but neither of them are in the 5's. I could try the 6's, only 12 is in the 6's. The 7's, neither of them are in the 7's. The 8's, neither of them are in the 8's, okay? And the 9's, only the 9 is in the 9's, okay? So the only times table that both of these numbers are in are the 3's, okay? So we need to find the times table that both the numerator and denominator go into, okay? And we know it's the 3's for this first one, okay? So to find the simplest fraction, I do 9 divided by 3, okay? 3, 6, 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3, okay? And then I do 12 divided by 3, okay? 3, 6, 9, 12, okay? So 12 divided by 3 is 4, okay? So the simplest form of 9/12, simplest fraction, is 3/4, okay? Because I divided both by 3, okay? And that keeps it the same. But I found the simplest fraction because it's the smallest possible fraction, the lowest numbers for that fraction, okay? And I'm going to do the same with 8/16, okay? Now, this one, they're both in the 8's, aren't they? Okay? 8, 16. So I could divide them by 8. Okay? They're not both in the 9's, they're not both in the 10's or the 11's or the 12's or 13's. So I'm going to do the 8's. Okay? The biggest number that they are both in would be the best one to do. Okay? So 8 divided by 8 equals 1. And 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Okay? So that's how you can do it. Find out which times table they both go into, and then divide it by the highest times table that they both go into. Okay, divide them both. Or, another way of doing it, okay, is you just keep halving them, keep halving the numbers until you get to where you can't halve it anymore. Okay, so 4/12, okay, let's halve it. Well, half of 4 is 2. And half of 12 is 6, okay? So I've divided them both by 2, okay? Can I divide them by 2 again? Let's check. I can. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, okay? So I've halved it, and I've halved it. Can I halve it again? Well, can I halve 1? I can halve 1, but not when I'm doing these fractions, okay? So once I get to, I can't halve it anymore, I've simplified it as much as possible, okay? So they are the two ways of working out the simplest fraction, okay? If your numerator is an odd number, then you need to do it this way and find its multiple, okay? But if the numerator and denominator are even, you could do halve and halve until you can't halve anymore. But if it's odd, then you need to divide it by a times table that they are both in, okay? And that's how you find the simplest fraction. So that's what you're going to be doing today. You're going to be given some fractions, and you need to simplify them by either dividing by a number that they can both be divided into, or halving and halving and halving until you can't halve anymore. Okay, let's see how you get on with that, and I will speak to you tomorrow. Have a good day.